Okay, so here it says, look at the triangle DEF. Which statement is true? So we're given a triangle. So let's make this triangle. Sorry, let me just redo that. We have this triangle. Okay. Just give me a second here. So triangle DEF, and it's giving us two angles. We have 62 degrees and we have 56 degrees. And we're trying to figure out which one of these statements is true. So is DE equal to DF, DE equal to EF, and so on, as shown on the screen here. And then we can kind of fill out some of this information. So there's an angle missing here. We'll call this theta. So we can solve for this angle right away because we know for any triangle, the sum of all the angles, so 56 plus 62 plus theta, this should equal 180 degrees. So we can start with that. So we know that 56 plus 62 will give us 118 plus theta equals 180. And then we know theta, this will give us theta equals 62. So we can see that this angle and this angle are identical. So knowing this, we can also think about how these lengths relate to one another. So are they the same size? Are they different sizes? And we can kind of use sine law. So we know sine law is, I guess, essentially sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C. And it is for a triangle as shown. So it will be A, B, C, and then angle A, angle C, angle B. So knowing this, we can kind of apply the same thing for above. So 56 degrees, 62 degrees, and 62 degrees. So since in our diagram above, let me just try to fit these on the same page. So since our diagram above for C, we have, for B, we have sine 62 degrees. For A, we have theta, which is also sine 62 degrees over A over B. So if we call this side A, this side B, we would know that these cancel out, and we're left with, if we just if we move this to this side and this to this side, we know that B equals A. So we know that these two sides are equivalent. So looking at the solutions DE, so let's just look above DE. So this side is equal to DF. So the first statement is true. We know that's true based on the sine law calculation that we did below. So A is correct. Let's just double check that the other solutions are not correct. So we'll say A is correct. So B is DE. So side DE is equal to EF. So we know this is not true, mainly because the opposite side over here is 56 degrees, and if we use sine law, we would not get the equivalent. We would not get that DE is equal to EF. And then the next one is DF is equal to EF. So DF is equal to EF. So this is the same thing. We know EF is a different length than side A and side B. So we know that's not true. And finally, DF, angle D is equal to angle F. And we know angle F, theta, is 62 degrees and angle D is 56 degrees, so that's not true. So we know the correct answer is A. So B is wrong, C is wrong, and D is wrong. So, looking at the solution, the correct answer is selected. We find that angle F is 62 degrees, which is correct. So option A is correct and B, C, D is incorrect. So this implies DE is equal to F since side opposite to equal angles are also equal in length, which is essentially just what sine law says. Okay, so the solution is correct.